Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming network and app basics. Do not skip this. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data plays a short 10-second video so you know connectivity works. Once done, open the Play Store or App Store and update YouTube to the latest release. Updates often fix loading loops. Next, clear the app cache and, if necessary, data. Settings, Apps, YouTube, Storage. Clear cache and clear data. This removes corrupt temp files that cause the tap to retry error. Once the basics are handled, move into deeper diagnostics. Disable any VPN or proxy and test playback because routing or DNS changes often block streams. Then make sure device date and time are automatic. SSL certificate validation breaks when timestamps are wrong. If the error persists, uninstall and reinstall YouTube, update Google Play services or System WebView, and confirm you have at least a few hundred megabytes free. Insufficient storage can break. To finish, reset app preferences or perform a network reset. This restores defaults without wiping personal files and often resolves stubborn conflicts. Make sure to try a different network or another device to determine whether it's your account, device, or home network. If nothing fixes it, gather timestamps, screenshots, and any error logs, then contact YouTube support. Provide those details so they can escalate. Troubleshooting tip. If playback works on cellular but not Wi-Fi, reboot the router and check DNS settings before hardware resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.